So this morning's activity, we're playing tennis here, and they've got this beautiful 2 courts here, right with all the views of the skyscrapers all around.
So we're clearly not professionals, but that was a lot of fun.
It was really hot,
Yeah.
but really fun.
Now it's time to hit up the pool.
The pool here at the Conrad Bangkok is so refreshing.
After some fun in the sun, it was time to hit the road and check out a really cool temple. Okay, so we're about to bring you and show you another beautiful temple here. I don't know the exact area where we are. We just took a taxi ride, which is so convenient, only about maybe 25 minutes away.
One thing I know is we are on the river side.
Yes. Come in here is 50 per person. A little bit less than most places.
So basically in this photo here, it's funny because half the people are doing hearts, and then the other group is doing this.
What are they
They're
doing
the
with
same
their
people, but some of them are doing this like the Koreans, and some of them are doing a heart.
This temple here is one of the most beautiful temples to come just at sunset, because you get the sun behind it, and if we get the same shot that I just saw online, it's going to be gorgeous. Today we came prepared. We've got scarves in our bags and fully covered. All right, we are good to go. Let's see if I get in this time. I am wearing a shorter skirt, so we shall see. Wearing a dress, yeah. Take 2. I need to put on pants. Okay, so right now we are about to go on a water taxi, and you could go on different tours. So they have kind of like a hop on, hop off bus that you can take as a boat, but it's like triple the price. So just to take a boat ride down where we're going, it's going to be called IconSiam, and it's like a big shopping mall. And inside that shopping mall, they have these really cool floating markets, which you will soon see. And the price to go is only 20 bahts. You want to know if there's any crocodiles in the river?
There is.
Mashalik.
I'm not going. There's crocodiles?
In the river, they jump out of the boat right at you. If you can imagine, there are crocodiles in this river, and they do boat tours where you can go and see the crocodiles
And people
snapping.
will actually, let's say this is the crocodile, put their hand and then take it out before it chops it. What's the point of doing that?
Here we go. We are going on the water taxi boat. Dubai or something. They have a light show, water shows. It's gonna be really cool.
because it's really strange. You get nature, you get water, waterfalls. I don't know, it's very cool. Oh, that's good.
So even though we're in a fancy mall, 8 of those dumplings is only $1.50. It's a steal.
Wow.
Yeah. So this shopping mall is absolutely brand new and the architecture is stunningly beautiful.
This place reminds me of Global Village in Dubai. If you haven't checked that out, we'll put the link in the description. But basically, it's like you travel around the world.
Their version of Mexican food.
Yeah. Thanks for watching our tour of Bangkok, Thailand.
Please subscribe, give us a big thumbs up.
Comment down below you're watching from, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.